Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to do this triple arches using the Inspiring Imperfections bundle and the Everyday Arches. So two ways the card can be. It can be folded like this, so you can write your message or your sentiment on either side, or you can have it like that so they can open and have the message in the middle. Up to you, but I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. You're going to need, with the arches, I use the fourth one right here, so it'll fit in a regular A2 envelope. So you need 2 basic white, 2 Misty Moonlight, and then 2 pieces of DSP. I'm going to use some different ones in the sample, but I basically cut out a ton of the different ones. They're all beautiful, so whatever you choose, you can't miss. All right, and then 2 connectors. They are measuring 2 inches by 1.5 and then scored at 1 inch in between. And then some die cuts that I have here. So to start with, I'm going to have the 2 blues, and this is the back side, and you can kind of see the back. This is the front. So 2 back sides, 2 back sides here. We're going to fold the connectors, and basically what you want, I think that's a piece of cardstock, is to connect these 2 together and then have some space. It'll stick out just a little bit, but make sure that your pieces are lined up. Yeah, like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So Stampin' seal, and you can put it anywhere along that side. I'm just going to stick it out just a little bit here. Flip this over, so this is the right side, and make sure that it is matching and it's laying flat, just like that. Perfect folding part, and we'll repeat with the second one. You can line it up as you'd like, sticking out just a little bit again. Flip that over to the right side. Make sure they match, so when they fold over, I'm a little off right there. There. So that is your back side. That's the back side right here. So I'm going to keep that with the wrong side on here. And then you're going to attach these front sides. And that's it. Pretty simple. Again, matching tops, the white on the white. You can always do a different color if you'd like. And then these pieces. Okay. And then I use the die cuts from the actual DSP. There's a whole sheet that you can use all the dies. So there's a die for the flower, the vase, and the bowl. So I cut a ton of them out, and I chose these right here. Put some dimensionals on the back. I think I'm put them here, and then for the flower, I'll do the opposite. Here. Plenty of room. So mine's gonna, I like folding it this way, so they can actually see both sides. And that is it. There you go. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video if you know anybody who also likes video tutorials on fun folds. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. You'll see many, many more video tutorials. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.